Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous session, I have briefly discussed about electronegativity. ಹೌದಾ? So what is electronegativity? Is the ability, yes, ability of bonded atoms, bonded atom for what? To attract, okay, to attract, to attract a shared pair of electrons towards itself. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, is the ability of a bonded atom to attract a shared pair of electron towards itself is called electronegativity. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ? Is there any unit for electronegativity? No, there is no unit. Is a unitless quantity. And is it qualitative or quantitative? It's just a qualitative. Okay, qualitative concept, not a quantitative. It is, we cannot measure quantitatively the electronegativity of an element. But yes, there are three scales. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? There are three scales which are used to measure the electronegativity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Yes, what are those? First one, Pauling scale. ಹೌದಾ? Pauling scale ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಾ? Yes, according to this Linus Pauling in the year 1932 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿನಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, hydrogen, for hydrogen he fixed the electronegativity of hydrogen as 2.1. ಹೌದಾ? ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ನ 2.1 ಅಂತ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and they started assigning electronegativity for other elements arbitrarily, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಅಂದಾಜಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು. Okay, and next one we considered Mulliken scale anta consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ. Second one, what is the second one? Mulliken scale. Okay, Mulliken scale. Well, according to this Mulliken scale, what we say, the electronegativity will be average of ionization potential and electron gain enthalpy, or you can say electron affinity. ಎರಡರ average ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾವು electron negativity anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? So according to Mulliken scale, the average of ionization potential and electron affinity gives the electronegativity of an element. And one more we said, third one, Alfred Rachos scale anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. Is the third one. So these are the three scales which are employed to measure the electronegativity of an element. Well, in brief, I have discussed about electronegativity, then we considered their unit and how it is measured, and the scales which are used to measure the electronegativity. Well, now we are going to consider the next concept. What is that? Trends in electronegativity. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹೇಗೆ ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಪಿರಿಯಾಡಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪಿರಿಯಾಡಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ. ವೆಲ್, ನಾವು ಪಿರಿಯಾಡಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಟೂ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ವೈಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ down the group and along a period. So if I consider variation of electronegativity in a group, yes, what is observed here? The electronegativity decreases. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? The electronegativity decreases as we move from top to bottom in a periodic table. ಅಂದ್ರೆ down the group ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Electronegativity decreases. Please remember, if I consider electronegativity down the group, electronegativity decreases. Yes, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is because of increase in the atomic size. Reason ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? It is because of increase in the atomic size and shielding effect. It is the reason. ಯಾಕೆ electronegativity decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is due to increase in the atomic size of the atom and shielding effect. So electronegativity decreases. Well, if you analyze, okay, values of electronegativity values down the group wise, say here I consider the first group elements. It's a group 1, lithium, sodium, okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. That is down the group we are analyzing. Say here, when you look at their electronegativity values, lithium 1, sodium 0.9, potassium rubidium 0.8, cesium 0.7. It means down the group, look at the value, goes on decreasing. It indicates down the group electronegativity decreases. Similarly, if I consider group 17 elements, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Look at the values, fluorine 4.0, chlorine 3.0, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5 and astatine 2.2. Again here also, when you look at the values, down the group, value goes on decreases. It indicates that electronegativity decreases down the group. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ reason ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ? It is due to increase in the size and shielding effect. Okay, so if I consider group wise, how electronegativity varies along, down the group, electronegativity of the element goes on decreases. Okay, well, now if we consider trends in electronegativity, that is period. First we consider in group, now if I consider period wise. So electronegativity increases group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but if I consider period wise, electronegativity increases as we move from left to right across a period. ಅಂದ್ರೆ left to right ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? Yes, if I consider any period, how many periods are there? 1 to 7. There are 7 periods, and regarding groups 1 to 18. Okay, down the group ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Down the group if I consider decreases. ಹೌದಾ? Down the group decreases ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And what about left to right of a periodic table? Increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಓವರಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? So I can indicate like this. Yes or no? Arrow head ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Say down the group decreases, left to right of a periodic table increases. Well, here left to right ಅಂದ್ರೆ first, second, third up to 18 group ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 to 18 increase ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? No, again there is an exception. Except 18 group means ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? From 1 to 7. If I consider elements of any period, okay, elements of any period 1 2 3 4 up to 7 is there. So if I consider elements of any period, what we observe, there is increase in the electronegativity from group number 1 to group number 17. Okay, well, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ reason ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ? It is due to decrease in the size. Atomic size decreases. And what about effective nuclear charge? Effective nuclear charge goes on increases. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ದಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ more and more tendency to attract shared pair of electron towards itself. ಅಂದ್ರೆ electron pair ನ ತನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so we say from left to right electronegativity increases, that is along a period electronegativity increases. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ reason ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ? It is due to decrease in the atomic size and increase in the effective nuclear charge. Okay, well, now if you analyze with examples, say here if you consider the second period elements, okay, lithium, beryllium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and chlorine. Second period elements we are analyzing. Say from left to right, when you look at the values, okay, say lithium 1 ide, beryllium 1.5, boron 2, carbon 2.5, nitrogen 3.0, oxygen 3.5 and fluorine 4. It means from left to right ಈ period, second period ಅಲ್ಲಿ elements analyze ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.54 ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. increase ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Yes, it means electronegativity increases along a period. Similarly, if you analyze even third group elements, third group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, so what are the elements? Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. So here also we analyze these, look at the values 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, 1.8, 2.1, 2.5 and 3. Means here in this case also left to right electronegativity goes on increases. Okay, well, so In a given period, consider any period, halogen atoms at the end, not the 18th group noble gases, it is the halogen atoms. Okay. In a given period, last will be the halogen, fluorine, chlorine. That halogen atom has the highest electronegativity. Andre, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು period ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ last ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ halogen ಬರುತ್ತೆ 17th group 17 elements. That halogen atom is going to have highest electronegativity. So fluorine 4.0 ಇದೆ. Okay, chlorine 3.0 means in the second period fluorine 4 last element is okay 4.0 third period ಅಲ್ಲಿ chlorine ಇದೆ 3.0 ಇದೆ highest ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ well further the most electronegative element if I consider overall out of 118 elements which one is most electronegative means it is the fluorine ಯಾವುದು element ಇದೆ fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table till now okay well coming to the factors influencing electronegativity andre nanige ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ factors what factors which influences the electronegativity yes when we analyze the trends ಈ trend ನೋಡಿದೇವ ನಾವು down the group and along a period ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು reason ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು reason is we are specifying size right size shielding effect ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ಹೌದಾ if I consider down the group decreases it is due to increase in the atomic size and shielding effect ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ then along a period what we said the electronegativity increases reason ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ it is due to decrease in the atomic size and increase in the effective nuclear charge so as like if I consider factors which influences the electronegativity one of the factor is nature of bonded atoms okay nature of bonded atoms is the one factor second is the atomic size okay size of the bonded atoms and third one nuclear charge now in effective nuclear charge anta helidivalla so these are the three factors these are the three major factors which influence the okay which influences the electronegativity okay ಯಾವುದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ electronegativity it depends on the nature of the bonded atom atomic size and a nuclear charge okay well now if I consider inert gases ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ noble gases are inert gases these inert gases have zero electronegativity so electronegativity of inert gases or noble gases is zero ಅದು zero ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಯಾಕೆ zero ಇದೆ why it is zero means okay why we are specifying electronegativity of noble gases is zero means since they have stable outer electronic configuration ಯಾಕೆ ಅದರ electronegativity zero ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they have a stable stable outer electronic configuration so it's the reason why they show zero electronegativity okay please remember out of 18 groups group number 1 to 18 ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ from left to right electronegativity increases ಹೌದಾ ಈಗ 1 to 7 period wise ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ down the group ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ electronegativity decreases down the group decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ left to right along a period increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ along a period increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what about 18th group elements yes they are exceptional okay 18th group element ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ their electronegativity will be zero ಯಾಕೆ zero ಅಂದ್ರೆ since they have stable outer configuration ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ electronegativity zero ಇರುತ್ತೆ okay well now if you just brief out the characteristics that is periodic trends of elements in a periodic table say if I consider periodic properties just we can list out here periodic property and how is going to vary in a group and in a period well the first one if I consider say atomic radius ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ group wise okay down the group increases okay along a period decreases second electropositivity ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ electropositivity so electropositivity ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ down the group increases and along a period decreases ಅಂದ್ರೆ atomic size electronegativity same variation ಇದೆ right next third one ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಕೂಡ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಎ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ, ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೆಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಎ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. Well, if I consider again, it is also same, down the group increases and along a period decreases. Okay, well, next property, ionization potential. Okay, ionization potential ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, down the group decreases and along a period increases. Sixth one, electronegativity. Electronegativity ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, yes, again it is also down the group decreases and along a period increases. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಐತೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ 5 6 ionization potential, electronegativity, down the group decreases, along a period increase. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಗೇನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಗೇನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೌನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಎ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಏಟ್ತ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, along a period increases. So I can say here ionization potential, electronegativity, electron gain enthalpy, non-metallic nature. Down the group just nodi lane ide decreases, along a period increases. Okay, I have made two sets, first and second set, so accordingly you have to remember. Well, next ಏನide, acidic nature of oxides. Metallic nature ಹೇಳಿದಿವಿ, now here acidic nature. So acidic nature again down the group decreases, and what about along a period? Along a period increases. Okay, well, so coming to the MCQs, first one, most electronegative element in the periodic table. ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ in a periodic table. Well, which element? First look at the options: fluorine, second chlorine, third oxygen, and the fourth one nitrogen. Yes, which element is most electronegative? It is fluorine. What is the electronegativity of fluorine? 4.0. Okay, well, next question, electronegativity order of fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon. Again ಒಂದು sequence ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon. So carbon is more electronegative than nitrogen, than oxygen, than fluorine ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Second, carbon is less electronegative than nitrogen, is more electronegative than oxygen, than fluorine. Third option is fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen, than nitrogen, than carbon. Next, fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen, is less electronegative than nitrogen, is more electronegative than carbon. So option ಏನದಕ್ಕೆ, yes, fluorine is, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, fluorine is most electronegative ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಎರಡು ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ is more electronegative ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, so it is wrong. When you look at the next two options, yes, is the correct sequence. Fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen, than nitrogen, than carbon. Okay, next, electronegativity of fluorine atom. Fluorine atom ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5. yes, ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ fluorine, its electronegativity 4. Okay, well, okay, with this I'm going to conclude about this session. Again in the next session we'll discuss some other concept. Okay, thank you, be safe.
Yeah.